In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Pocket Option. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and sign into your Pocket Option account, and then after this, you want to click at the very top right, where there's basically your profile icon, and then you want to click on Withdrawal over here, which should be the third thing on the list. Now, once you do that over here, it's going to take you and it's going to show you how much your balance is. So over here, as you can see, currently I don't have any balance on this account, but if you want to actually withdraw, the minimum amount you have to have is going to be $10. Now, in case you actually have some amount on here, you'll be able to just simply put in your withdrawal method, how much you'd like to withdraw, and then some other information, and then after that, you'll be simply able to confirm that, and then your withdrawal will be on the way. Now over here, as you can see, it also says that withdrawal process becomes available after you deposit on your account. Typically, a withdrawal request is processed automatically and takes a few minutes, and in some cases up to 3 business days. So after you initiate the withdrawal, in case you don't get your funds directly and like within a few seconds or minutes, it's usually because, of course, some of them can take up to 3 business days. So make sure you wait up to 3 business days before actually panicking and being worried where your funds are. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.